Record time. Night.
Hindi ako kasama.
Wait ka na.
Eh, ang dami ko pang dililigang puno, 2 pa eh.
Mag-respect muna ako.
Sige, respect ka lang.
Ay, hindi, maubos na pala yung labor ko, so titigil ko na to.
Saan yung bagong crest nun?
Team dilig ako eh, team dilig.
Who's
Di ba may bagong crest
Oh,
tayo?
there's a big ass
bad
ship right
bargain?
there.
Bad bargains again? Stuff. Oh, they got that. Okay.
Oh,
Go, let's go.
Where's Lorraine? Where's Lorraine?
Wait.
No, wait, Lorraine.
Teka po, kasi
Penduko,
nais ako ng skill.
so wait for me,
invite mo
guys.
si Penduko.
I think that should go.
Yeah, oh.
There you go, I invited him.
What do I have?
Ay, shit, nahulog pa rin.
Ano kita, King.
I'm loading.
Isasign kita as,
Wait
wait,
lang, si Daddy.
car.
Sammy, where?
And then
Sige.
si Ray.
Holy crap, there's a bunch of them. You know what, I'm gonna go to the main hall. Teka lang.
Si Ray X. Si Lorraine Hart.
I'm here.
Boys, if you
Si
die,
Lorraine.
Where's
I'm
the
going
smoke?
to
Where's the
jail.
smoke?
I'm here, I'm here.
Okay.
I-accept ni Penduko yung invite eh, sabi mo mag-ano. Ayun.
Alright,
Okay,
good.
nakakabit
Let's
na
go.
ako.
Go.
Where is the king? There you go.
I'm in the raid.
Eh,
Oops.
trade mo ako.
Oh, shit.
Ah, dude, I'm in the raid already.
Good mo.
Yung kabayo mo, maboy pa rin sa tubig.
Na-right click ko tuloy. Si Jello kasi, tinatrade ko, na-right click ko.
Nice.
Asan si Bongbong? Bongbong.
Do this, guys.
Trade mo ako.
Ikaw, Daddy.
Okay ma?
Trade mo ako, bibili ko na sa mga
Oo, ito lang.
pinatas ko.
Teka, deal mo ko. Kasi nag-ano ko.
Hell yeah.
Jello, ilan na ganyan natin? Blue dust. Hundreds na.
Yung dust 100 something. Kukan ko mga nasa station. Burning out.
They're still there.
In the middle?
I've been trying to find them. I went in the middle of the island, but they're not there. But I think they're on the far side where our spawn is. Where we spawn after we die.
Okay, let's go. Punta muna tayo sa island.
What's up, motherfuckers?
Okay,
What do you
na-dragon.
call
Okay.
Full that dude.
Here, this one.
That fool's gonna die.
Go, 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 go. You messed with the wrong guild. You messed with the wrong guild.
Where are you guys?
We're in the spawn point. Jello, man! I went down for Jello! You're gonna die!
Sige, sige, banat.
I'm gonna messing up.
Labas niyo sila.
Labas, hindi ko kayo
Oh,
mahil.
heal.
Kill when you're low, go back.
Frick.
Oh shit.
Jello drop. Oh, shit.
Sige lang, banat lang. Sugod lang, sugod.
They're inside. Kill the ones outside.
guys. Nice.
I'm gonna go from behind.
Yung 2 hits ko. Patay.
Nice one, King. Nice one, King.
No,
Tara, forward.
Somebody, ano mo ako? Rain! Hindi ka healer?
Mamatay ka na ba? Nasa kanya?
Yeah, I died. I died already.
Shame, bitch.
Where you going?
Somebody heal me. Yes, thank you. 2 dies.
Nice.
What? Is that it?
Walang ano eh.
Was that them? Is that it?
Walang palag.
Wasak. Walang
Is that
pala.
them?
Walang namatay sa atin eh.
Anong wala?
Ano ba yan?
Kaya ko.
Sumugod ako.
Takte.
Tumugod din ako.
Nag-charge ako eh.
What's
Dito
that?
sila, shit.
They're regrouping. They're
Regroup.
regrouping.
Back. Back.
No.
Back. Ay.
Okay. Just go for it.
Banat.
Cast mode.
Here we
Go
go.
behind. Go from behind. Go from behind.
Asa ka, Benlog?
Banat. Range, yung mga range. Fuck!
Shit, si Kasmoke namatay.
Hindi pa.
Kasmoke, nasan ka?
Yung healer.
Wala na. Sumugod ako eh. Thank you.
Rakasha, si Rakasha yung healer.
Ito, pinapatay ko na. May isa pa. May isa pa dito sa taas. Nandiyan, nag-inv. They're in the middle.
Then the
Sino
middle.
mo
Tara.
namatay?
Sugod.
Sa middle.
Roger.
Meron tayong healer sa Red Lips, hindi natin invite.
I think this is a different group.
Asa ka, Dani? Hindi kita makita.
Si King hindi bumanat.
Asan ka?
Wala pa tayo.
Oh, nasa
Tara,
mid.
spawn camp.
Spawn camp.
Nasa mid pala kami.
Guys.
Follow the star. Asan yung star?
Judy, ako yan.
Hindi, Stevie to.
Ah, shit.
Hindi.
Guys are going inside the
We're
island.
at.
You guys are
Anong
inside.
side?
Ready trial ako
Wait,
ah.
do you guys see me?
Trial si Daddy.
Do you guys see me?
Ah, shit. Wala.
Hard.
Guilty ka kaagad? Oh, shit.
Konda
Tapos
yun
sakay
to.
sakay Jomel.
Ay, isa ka.
Hindi, wag na.
Ito na. Dali. Sakay.
Oh shit. Where the
Yo,
hell
somebody
are
heal me. Somebody heal me. Res me.
Back. Kasmog. Pindu ko. Back.
Ah, man.
Back lang.
Wala.
Back lang.
Napula.
Shit. Hard bargain.
Holy shit, there's
Dude, look
a
at
lot
this
of
shit.
DVS.
A lot of DVS?
Yeah, DVS in my shit.
Yung healer nila. Paano ka, mamark ko ah. Ano ba yung mark
Ayaw
ko?
kasi makinig yung mga yun.
Yun to yung healer nila.
Puro DBS yan.
Ito yung healer nila, yung 2 naka-mark.
Oh shit.
Back.
Regroup guys, regroup.
Naka-mark, yung 2, number 2 yung healer nila.
We gotta support them. Nagdaan na sila, nagta-trade run na sila sa gitna. They're in the middle right now.
It died. Killed one with me though.
Here. Nakunasan ako, dude.
Tara. Dito sa middle.
Dude! Oh, wish I
Sa
could
middle.
all that.
Papatayin ko lang yung ano. Nag-i-regroup sila. Andito sila, oh. Pag punala silang middle, ah. Galing silang east, dude. Manggagaling silang east. Manggagaling silang east. Papunta silang, ano, mid.
Sige, wait.
Mga nag-i-invis na.
Asmo, wait for me, your horse.
Follow me. Dito.
What the fuck?
They're in the middle now.
Patatayin ko yung healer nila, ah.
Where are you guys? Where's the star? Where's the star, right? Or the point?
Let's go. Here.
Where's right there? Okay, coming.
Huwag kayo sumugod.
Nasa likod ako.
Isa-isa lang, pitas-pitas lang. Yan. What the fuck?
Behind us.
Patay na yung healer,
Behind.
Wow,
Patay yung
ano
healer.
nangyari?
Siya kasi.
Yung healer, asan yung healer? Isa na namang healer. Oh shit. Sino yung healer nila?
Lag ako.
Yeah, lahat tao lang.
Tara, banat.
Bakit ako napunta dito? Hindi na ako makabalik dyan. How long do I get back? How do I
Guilty
get...
ka ba?
No, not guilty.
Not guilty. If you're not guilty, sometimes kasi hindi ka na...
I have to portal over there.
Yes, daddy.
Patay mo!
Asmo, huwag ka mauna.
Yeah.
Supra. Sige.
No,
Dito
nandun
ka
sa
lang,
kanila.
tabi ka lang sa akin. Tabi ka lang. Sige, ah. Sugod. Atras.
Ouch. Okay. Nice heal. Nice.
Where are you guys?
Nice, thanks.
There, okay, coming.
There's spawn point.
Palagule.
Coming right now.
Yung archer nag-9k ako yun, friend. Oh boy.
Guys, somebody res me.
King is dead again.
Somebody res me.
It's okay, King. I got it.
Nice. Sila mas-save.
Heal po! Sakit po. Namatay na ako.
Why
Hindi
can't I
na
accept it?
napaka-overending ko. Akala ko kasi pasok na sa Nui.
Wala na akong mana.
Takte. That heal eh. Kahit mag-healer ka na lang forever, please.
Ha?
Mag-healer ka na lang forever po.
Ano ba itong bilog na yun? Hindi ako makalabas na po.
Yung shield yan sa defense yata, Vitalism.
Yun.
No, that was kay Nui yun.
Shit, nasan ka dyan? Lalo na
Yeah, the bubble that goes away, like it goes
Ito,
slowly
ito.
away.
No, I mean the circle on the ground.
Yun nga yung barrier nga yun.
First time seeing it.
Sino yung healer nila?
Masyado. Atas mo na ako konti, niluluto ko.
Yung king natin.
Luluto ka rin.
Yung king nagluluto! Wala ka Mama ko!
Yung niluluto ko din, bakers.
Hininaan lang.
Yeah.
Dalag kaya?
Kawawa naman ako. Nagro-robot ako sa kalagitnaan ng karagatan. Halina. Nag-robot.
Nasaan na sila? Nasaan na sila?
O, nahuli si King natin, nahuli si King natin.
Wala yan. Sige.
Madala na itong mga to.
Ano? Palag pa.
Hindi na papalag yung mga yan, tangi.
Aba.
Get out of the way. Trying to backstroke.
Saan? Boom! Oh, karang ina mo ah.
Hindi nasa lobo. Stand.
Oh, yo, they're going on the other way.
Ano? Ito ah. Woo!
What is that?
That's just skill from the horse.
That's so cool.
Ooh. Ano?
What happened? What happened?
What happened? What happened to the Reds?
What happened to the Reds? What happened?
Partida, nagluluto pa ako niya.
Wala si Daddy, hindi. Ano na ba't napunta ka doon? Saan ka napunta?
Hmm?
Saan ka napunta nung namatay
Wala,
ka?
pauwi na rin yung mga
ba't
mas.
ka na- Ano ka nga pala?
Wala
Na-jury ka na
Wala nang kalaban.
Na-jury ka.
Wala.
Kapahil mo ako ng ilan. Wala na.
Ingat-ingat sa likod ko rin.
Na-jury nga pala siya.
Inasaka pa eh! Inasaka pa eh!
Kawawa ka naman, Daddy.
Nagpapay naman ako ng ilan.
Nagkapatay ka naman pala ng Elan.
What happened, huh?
Ano ba may ako
Huh?
dito kanina? Naubos.